Good start for 2021. We're almost there. Almost. So as you can see, grabe ang fog. So super fog here in Sibulig.
Fog everywhere.
Fog. Dito, kahit fog, maraming sun pa rin dito. Ito, sunflower. Okay. Let's start the vlog. So time check, it is already 6:25 in the morning. So goodbye, riding in tandem, Andrew. So we are going to Claveria, Misamis Oriental, right? So our ride started in Hinguog City. So from Hinguog to Claveria, the distance is just about 53 kilometers, but most of the roads going there is uphill, just like this. So it is quite challenging. Okay, bye. So as you can see, C52, meaning from here 52 kilometers. Okay, recover. So ito, mukhang patag, pero this is actually banayad na ahon, kaya nakakahingal. Third, fourth, tag. So sa next recover, we'll have some water break. Dito na muna kami dahil may aso. So water break muna. So, andito kami ngayon. Ano tayo? Panaad sa Samay. Sa tawag, Praise the King. Nag-aalis na kami sa Panaad sa Samay. So continuation sa aming climb. Marami pang paahon ang aming dadaanan. 8 kilometers the groove na. So may dalawang plano kami. It is either to go to Claveria, which is still 43 kilometers from here, or just go in Sibulig, which is already 8 kilometers na lang. So depende sa tuhod namin, sa energy. Kayo, sabi mo pa lang hindi ay Sibulig. Basta yung paalam naming dalawa sa girlfriend namin is only in Sibulig. So we are planning to go to Claveria. Tingnan natin. So only 8 kilometers left before we arrive in Sibulig. And time is still early. Pag 8 o'clock in the morning pa lang. So siguro magkakarating kami sa Sibulig mga 8:30, 9. So masyadong maaga eh. On the other hand naman, baka gabihin kami kapag dumiretso kami sa municipality talaga ng Claveria. So itong kapatid ko, last ride na niya ito.
Bye.
After, so magpapahinga siya mga 6-7 months dahil magtatrabaho na siya as porn star. Siya ang papalit eh, Johnny Sins. Alis na siya, sasakay na siya ng barko. Oo, magtatrabaho na siya para sa 1x12 na group set. Oh, right. So, kagandahan ng aming ride ngayon ay hindi masyadong mainit. Actually, wala talagang init. At saka,
Malamig. Malamig.
Malamig ang temperature dito dahil mataas-taas na kasi yung elevation dito.
Tapos ganda pa ng tanawin.
Yun o. So sagad na yung gears ko. Whew! Kasama na talaga dito yung lakas ng tuhod. At lalim ng hininga. So there is an elementary school here. It is paaralang elementarya ng Dunutan. So you know, nagfog na dito guys. So katapos ng matinding ahon, energy, chubby, 2 pesos only. Yan, siko. Hindi pa natapos yung ahon guys. Alright, we are only 1 kilometer away. Shout out sa mga girlfriend namin na pinayagan kaming mag ride dito. Woo! Riva Mendoza.
Nanay, love you nanay.
Love you Nini.
I love you Tuyang.
Maria Victoria Tabases. Yun, fog na fog. Alright. Hey. Sulit na sulit yung ride. Kita nyo yan guys. Woo! So hindi pa natatapos yung paahon namin dito. Grabe. Stig. So pahinga muna kami. Time check. It's 9:40 in the morning. So super fog dito guys. So andito pa kami sa Sibulig. So this is still Sibulig. So ito na. It is still a continuous climb. So a few meters from here, mayroong andyan yung Sunwheels. So kakain na muna kami. Laspag na. Gutom na. So we'll have our early lunch. Woohoo! Gutom na. Sulit ng ride. So, andito na tayo sa Sunwheels Cafe. Undag. Muna. Order na lunch. Delas na ibi, delas G's din. G's. Tara. Ito ni. Sinulang manok, Bisaya. Ibang manok, Bisaya ko lang.
Naman. Very cold there, man.
Tapos na kaming kuhain. Problema namin, sobrang lamig.
The road is getting the road.
So magpapadyak pa kami ng ilang metro para makapunta sa aming final destination. Alright. Guzmana Avenue. Still fog pa rin. Grabe. That is already the groove. But the road is not visible. So if ganito, slow down lang talaga. Wala kasi tayong lights. So hopefully hindi na uulan dahil magpapalipad pa ako ng drone. Alright. So we are now here in GCU. So we decided not to go to Claveria anymore. It is because of the weather. So as you can see, grabe ang fog. So super fog here in Sibulig.
Fog everywhere.
Fog everywhere.
You cannot see. They cannot also see you.
Fog you. Oh, kita mo na. So diri na nasa agad mi. So time check, so we arrive here at exactly 11:30. Pero nagkaan pa man na naliuto man. No. Alright, so we are still here in the groove. So ito yung situation dito sa groove. Wala dyan kayo makita, wala kang makikita, walang halong salamangka. So time check 11:45. Plano ani. So maghihintay lang kami hanggang 1 PM siguro, no?
Hindi ka matuwag mo.
Or by the time na wala nang ulan, try namin na magbike palusong. Pero medyo delikado eh. Ito yung daan, hindi mo makikita yung daan. Check mga 4 wheels ano yun, delikado kayo eh. So time check 12:30 na, 12:30. Medyo wala na yung ulan, pero ito guys, sobrang cold. So kung bababa dito, kahit fog, may maraming sun pa rin dito. Ito, sunflower. Sunflower, where is the sun? There is no sun. Only flower. Sun. Flower.